Hey guys, welcome back to vlog number 3. Today we're starting out at Cars and Coffee. Crackle! What is it? What is it? What is that? What was that? I heard a revving V8. So da na 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 na. I think. What was it? I heard that.
I heard something.
I heard a V8.
Oh wait, what to me, what it sounded like?
Da na da 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 da
The rev limiter. It sounded like a
No, that was like a
launch control.
launch control. Yeah. Oh, it was that. It was that. It was definitely that.
Easy.
That was that. That was that. Look at the slicks on that. Oh, look at this boss. Like a boss.
The Tesla's only in California.
I like the color. We're not really sold outside of California for some reason. 06 leaving. I got 30 minutes left of film.
Oh, yeah, I love those slicks.
Yeah, you see 355 better? Surprised even. Oh, that's the V10 over there.
Yeah.
There. That's the V10 M5. Like Huracan engine. Like, you might think an Audi would have a V10, but no, that has a V10. Hear it? Look at that carbon. Which way are they going? They're going this way. Alright, man.
That's what it is.
Hear the turbo on that thing? That's new.
Passed away. And he had his Z06 in his garage. And then his son moved into the house. He has a Z06.
Don't want to get too close though. Aw, a res. View. Look at that. Not bad, not bad. This should be a Ferrari 355 coming over momentarily behind my friend Grant over there. I don't know if you can see it. Yet the Ferrari's behind the Dodge Viper. You can't see it from here. Oh. What's that noise?
I don't know.
Oh, somebody just started up. I don't know who. Oh, God. Wait, did it start up?
Oh, those.
Oh, it's just getting pictures. No way, is that... Oh, it's a good thing I got this running. That's a little bit loud. Yeah. It's a bit loud. A bit loud.
How old's the first car?
The what?
How old's the Ford?
GT40. It's in the 60s, I think.
Yeah. GT40?
Yeah. They're really great. If that was a kit, I wouldn't be surprised. It's nice. Pretty nice Mustang. Huh. Oh, here you go. The moment we've all been waiting for. The quiet manual, gated manual. 355 Spider.
Grandma.
Alright, let's plant this a little bit.
GT40 high performance cinder. Ooh.
Hopefully they rev it because I got it like going here.
I don't know.
Pretty quiet, surprisingly. A lot of exhaust though. Oh.
Yeah, by turbo?
By turbo V8. Whichever you please. E63 AMG.
Some kid just took his mom's car.
Oh yeah. Alright, let's see. I think that's it for now. Because nobody's moving. So yeah. This is the low one with the really good rims. Get it right here. Yeah, it's getting pretty late. Oh yeah, he's leaving I think now.
That guy's a neat guy.
Oh, that crackle though.
That sounded good.
That sounded beyond good. That was amazing.
I don't think it had it in him.
I don't know. See ya. Oh, that thing sounds pretty good. Alright, so it is pretty late.
Yeah.
So
I think we get going. Too bad Mr. Viper is still.
oh, he's in the car though, I think. Gotta hurry.
Get that cold start.
Cold start. Got it. Where'd it go? There we go. That was pretty good.
Yeah, no, it sounded nice. It wasn't like Murcielago nice.
Oh, obviously not. By the way, that video, just in case any of you guys were wondering, I'm gonna be posting part 2 today. Might be posting part 3 tomorrow, depending on if I have enough time for editing over the weekend. But yeah, guys, I'm pretty sure that's the end of today. Yeah, that's it. See ya. Oh, that thing sounds pretty good. Alright, so it is pretty late.
Yeah.
So
I think we get going. Too bad Mr. Viper is still.
oh, he's in the car though, I think.
Get that good start.
Cold start. Got it. Where'd it go? There we go. That was pretty good.
Yeah, no, it sounded nice. It wasn't like Murcielago nice.
Oh, obviously not. By the way, that video, just in case any of you guys were wondering, I'm going to be posting part 2 today. Might be posting part 3 tomorrow, depending on if I have enough time for editing over the weekend. But yeah, guys, I'm pretty sure that's the end of today. Yeah, that's it.